Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, Staphyloma. What is staphyloma? It is an ectatic condition of the eyeball along with the herniation of uveal tissue. Ectatic condition of eyeball, that is, ectatic is dilatation. Okay, some type of dilatation of eyeball with uveal tissue. So the picture looks something like this. Right, so this is the ectasia. This dilatation or this weakening of the wall is ectasia, and here there is herniation of uveal tissue is seen. That is, even the choroid is herniating through this ectatic part. So it is of the following types. It can be anterior staphyloma, which includes anterior staphyloma, intercalary staphyloma, ciliary staphyloma, equatorial staphyloma, and posterior staphyloma are the types of the staphylomas.
thank you and thank you for watching.